Hello guys, welcome to my another live stream. I hope you can hear my voice very clearly. If you can hear my voice clearly, can you let me know in the comment section that if you can hear me out or not, so that I can continue the live stream session as early as possible. That's it guys. I hope you can hear my voice. So let me just quickly check it out if I am online or not. I'm gonna start the live stream session. Okay, just to wait a second guys. Just give me a time to just quickly check it out if I am in live or not. Then gonna start the today's live stream session. Let's Yes, I think I am in live. Okay, yes, overall good. Let me just deploy the overall things. Then we're gonna quickly start the today's live stream session with all of you guys who are attending it. Okay, the timer will be very short. Today, in this live stream session, we are gonna discuss about the project Lamina 1. Okay, that is the name. I hope you got it. So that is the thing that we are going to discuss about the today's live stream session. I hope you will be staying tuned with me in my live stream session for some awesome information for you to get. Okay, today's main attraction is Lamina L1. Let me check it out that if I am in live in all of the over again. Yes guys, I am in live. We're all in live. That's good. No problem. It is overall good. So I think I can start the live stream session. So thank you guys for joining out the live stream session as early as possible. As I just started the today's live stream session, today we're gonna talk about a project, okay, that is kind of folder exclusive airdrop. Also, first of all, short description. Then we're gonna produce. Yes. So the project's name is, as you can see here, already have been said to you. The project name is Lamina L1. Okay, that's the project's name. So if so, this is also a GT holder exclusive airdrop. Okay, also a GT holder exclusive airdrop for you. So if you can see here, uh, for you to join this airdrop, you need to hold GT. That's the main thing guys, but of course, first of all, let me just first of all gonna introduce about the project, then we're gonna jump into the brief uh, introduction of the today's project. What do you say guys? Okay, I hope you will stay tuned with me. In the meantime, let me just quickly deploy the red packet for you guys who are joining the live stream. Okay, thank you lovely guys for joining out the live stream. Okay, so yes, today's project's name is, first of all, it is also the Lamina 1, and the project sticker is L1. Okay, today we're going to talk about the GT holder exclusive airdrop, and of course it is a startup free initial free offering, but it is also an exclusive airdrop about the GT holder 1. So I hope you got my point here. And you know there is a difference between the GT holder exclusive airdrop and the normal startup airdrop. Okay, so I am of course definitely gonna tell you about it in my this video and live stream session. Sorry about the words. Okay, so yeah, let's continue, guys. What do you say? So the main thing, okay, the main thing about this. Wait a sec. Wait a second, guys. All about the project Lamina. Project's name, of course. First of all, let me just quickly give you out a quick introduction of this project. Then we're gonna jump into the brief introduction of the project. And again, after completing the introduction part, we are gonna I'm gonna show it to you how you can join in the startup airdrop very simply. Okay. So I hope you will be staying tuned with me in my live stream session for you to get some awesome information from this live stream. Okay, and of course this is going to be a very short and quick introduction to you, so I hope you will stay tuned with me. The main thing, the project's name, as you can see, the Lamina L1. Let me just go into the short introduction of this project. Okay, the short, if I just shortly introduce about this project, Lamina 1, the creator and owned platform and new economy designed for the future of IP incubation, distribution, of course, the monetization. That's all. That's the first line of action part that I like to share it with you. So I hope you got it. I thank you, Yash85 brother, for joining out the live stream. Okay. And of course, guys, I'm gonna definitely check out your comments after I have just completed the introduction part of the today's project. That name is Lamina L1. Okay. So I hope you will stay tuned with us. Of course, do like, comment, and follow the live stream. That's the kind of scenario. So yes, the project introduction I have already told you. The founded by the legendary author, futurist Neil Stephenson, crypto pioneer Peter Vesne, sorry about the pronunciation, and immersive entertainment executive Rebecca Birkin. Lemena L1 provides the tools and infrastructure for builders and the creators to make, share, and monetize multimedia content, enabling fan participation in the story worlds. Okay, that's story worlds they love. That's the short introduction of this project, guys. What do you think, guys? That I think that's a very interesting project I can see here. Of course, don't forget to let me know your opinion about it. Of course, you can let me know in the comment section. That is very easy for you to let me know about it. Okay, so let me check out the founder, Rebecca Barkin. That's the name of the founder, Rebecca Barkin. If I just zoom it out, yes, now it is good. Rebecca Barkin is a co-founder of Lamina1 alongside renowned futurist Neil Stephenson and blockchain pioneer Peter Hessens. She brings 20 plus years of experience leading strategy, design, and development at the intersection of emerging technology and entertainment, with the recent positions VP of Content, Strategy and Partner Solutions at the groundbreaking immersive venue Madison Square Garden Sphere, and as a VP of Brand Platform and Design at Magic Leap. Wow, there's some impressive background I can see here. Great one. Of course, that's a great one. That's the introduction of the founder, and of course all the short introduction I have already introduced you about this project. Of course, I'm going to definitely jump into the brief introduction about this project, so I hope you will stay tuned with me. So the information for this startup is here as said, the zero GT, and of course this is the GT holder exclusive airdrop. Okay, I mean startup GT holder exclusive startup airdrop program. And of course the startup supply is like 100,000 L1 tokens, and of course the unlock rule will be as usual 100% unlock, so it is good to go. So let me just check it out, the highlights and vision of this project. So what do you say, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so the highlight and vision, the Lamina L1 platform and protocol is customized to support the needs of creators by offering no code tooling, rights provenance, and secure authentication for the next generation of digital experiences. Okay, as the platform develops, profiles and spaces will allow creators to showcase, launch their IP, build communities, engage fans through questing and co-creation. The creator studio and L1 distribution infrastructure will help publish and integrate on-chain content across the platform and its experiences. Storefronts will allow creators to monetize and expand their reach to fund their next idea. Okay, wow, that's a great vision. I can just see here, guys. What do you think about this vision of the project Lamina L1? Of course, let me know in the comment section. So now let me jump into the token economics part. What is the token economics is all about? Let's check it out. The L1 token is used to pay for fees, gas, and services on Lamina 1, provide a basic unit of account between subnets and applications, and secure platform through staking, which provides all stakers with daily rewards along with voting governance power within the platform. Wow, that's a good token economics I can see here. Awesome one. So if I go into the technical overview part, let me just check it out. Lamina L1 is a collection of independent EVM blockchains providing compute, identity, identity and distribution infrastructure for creators and their fans. The Lamina 1 Hub is an easy to use web app that guides creators through easy to use process. Okay, for incubating their IP, growing a community of fans, distributing their content, and monetizing their creations. Okay, that's the thing, guys. That's the main thing. So now let me just jump into the token allocation part. The token allocation part is that team 16.1% of the token will be allocated, and of course the TGE is no unlock and no cliff period, and of course the vesting period is like 100 months, and for investors it's like 14.7% will be allocated, and the TGE no unlock, and of course no cliff period. Vesting period will be the same as the team, it will be 100 months. Okay, now foundation 13.2%. Okay, TGE 5.05% unlocked and no cliff period, and of course the vesting period is 100 months. So that is the thing, guys. And the community is like 50%. TGE no unlock and no cliff period. Sorry about the pronunciation. The vesting period is like 100 months. And airdrop 6%. TGE 1.16% unlocked, no cliff period, and vesting period is like 120 months. Okay, that's the token allocation part for this one. So I am gonna next jump into the next information that you guys need to check it out. Of course, I'm going to show it to you how you can easily join out in this project. But of course, first of all, let me just a brief description about this project. Okay, let me just briefly introduce you about this Lamina 1 project. I have already shortly introduced you about this project Lamina 1. So now let me just jump into the brief description. What do you say, guys? What do you say about this one? Let me know in the comment section so that I can know about it more, guys. Okay. Okay. So here it is says the GT holder exclusive airdrop Gateio startup initial free offering Lamina 1 and L1 and announcement of free distribution rules. Okay, all the things. Of course, I am definitely out and of course know about it. No problem. Just stay tuned. That's the main thing, guys. So, I have already shortly introduced about the project's short introduction. Now, let me just jump into the brief introduction. The token name is Lamina 1. The token symbol is L1. Max supply is like 1500 000 and triple. That's the maximum supply of this token. And of course, token type is Avalanche subnet. Okay. So I think this token is based on, okay, let me just check it out. Avalanche subnet, I think. And the contract address have been already been provided here. Let me check out their contract address. Wow. Their contract address is explorer.lamina1.com. Let's see their contract address first of all. Okay. So this is the contract address. So I think this project Lamina 1 is based on the Avalanche. Project is Avalanche. Yeah. And this is the contract address. You can see here. the subnets.avax network, the Lamina1. And you can check it out all the information about this token, I mean the contract address that have been provided here. And you can check it out the chain info, laminal 1 l1, subnet id, blockchain id, all the things that can be found in the blockchain explorer of the Avalanche, and blockchain hash created on when this was created, and of course the EVM chain id, VM name, Ethereum VM. And VM means I mean I think it means a virtual machine or something like that. Okay, question about it, but that is good. Okay, and VM ID and RPC URLs that you need to URL, you need to check it out. And description is also as follows. No problem. We're definitely gonna check it out. No problem. This was the Explorer, and it is the states that have been here, and of course you can check out their states already here. Wow, that is the active addresses, all the things, gas per second, and all the things that you can blockchain explorer, you can find it here in the subnets dot this I mean in this website. Okay, that is provided in the announcement page. Of course of course you can them. So for the main thing guys, we are checking out the explorer, blockchain explorer of the Avalanche, and of course it was the contract address of the Lamina L1. Okay, so now let's check out the details of this one. Okay, you can also get all the details here. It is based on blockchain one. The blockchain number is showing here one. The validators are currently like four validators. Okay, and the daily active user address is like 6,648. Total transaction is like 18,000 and 40,421. And gas used, like this was the amount of gas have been already used, and all the necessary things you like to check it out, you can check it out. And the Laminal L1 mainnet, a platform and protocol for new era of digital content and co-creation, founded by legendary author futurist Neil Stephenson, crypto pioneer Peter Wessens, and entertainment executive Rebecca Birkin. That is, I have already told you about this one, so I hope you got it. And of course, if you have any question for me, forget to drop out your. I'm gonna definitely check out your question. No problem. So that is the contract address of the Lamina L1. I hope you got it. And of course, have any, drop your comment section, and it will much appreciated. Okay. So this is the all the validators that I have been running here in the Lamina blockchain. I totally forgot to pin one comment. Let me, yes, I have totally pinned the correct comment, guys, so that why it is so. That's what do you say, guys? The main thing is that guys can't be over optimistic. Any optimistic course can't be much of. That's the thing I like to share it with. If you have any doubt, your try my best. So let's see if you have any question, have any, or don't forget to let me know. So this is the blockchain explorer I have all out, and all the details that you need about it I have already told you. So if you want, you can check it out there, blockchain explorer in the contract address. I mean this is the contract address page. You can check it out that, and you can just will be redirected to very quick. Okay, that's the thing, guys. Yeah, it's overall very looking very good. I perceive get to let me know what do you think. Of course, you can. I'm gonna definitely check out all of your opinions. Is matter very matter to me. Okay, no problem. Yes, for all good in my perspective. So here you can see. Okay, now let me just proceed with the next segment. Okay, the token distribution ratio and unlocking rule. I think I have already told you about it. Of course, if you have any questions about your system, I am gonna check out your much possible as I can. Okay, I hope you understand my points. Got my point? Of course, comment section. If you got it or not. Let's see if you have got my point or not here. Then I'm gonna put X if there are any. Okay, I think there are not. Let me just proceed as usual. What do you say, guys? Yes. So here you can see I have already told you about the contract information of the Lamina L1, and now I'm gonna proceed with the token distribution and the unlocking rules. I have already told you about. So I hope you got it. So now let me proceed check it out their website. What's their website is all about? Wow, that's a real futuristic website I can see here. So this is a very futuristic looking website here. I can clearly see. What do you think about this website, guys? Let me the comments section. Okay, I'll check it out your comments first of all, and then gonna proceed. Okay. Okay. So I think overall it is good. Overall it is all good. So you can see this is the Lamina1 web project's website. Their website is very looking very futuristic in my opinion. I don't know what do you think about this Laminar website. Of course, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Let's see what you have to say about this project's information. Let's see, guys. Okay. So as you can see here, as you can clearly see that Lamina L1 is a project that is based on all the, let's see, your gateway to an open world of next gen digital experiences and co-creation on a platform owned by you. Okay, wow, that's awesome definition I can see here. Now let me jump to the next segment. What is this? Wow, that's the very futuristic looking website, guys. You can check it out by that link have been provided in the the announcement page of this project. So you can definitely check it out. The announcement article number is 40738. That is the announcement article number. Or you can just search it out in the announcement segment, Lamina L1, and you will find that one very easily. So that is very interesting website I can see here. And of course, they have very good partners here. Ember, Eva Labs, Avalanche, iLab, Beamable, Blog, Rocket, Dubit, Pro, RD, HTC, Interverse, Legitimate, Lovelace Studio, Meta Engine, MetaMe, Metaverse, all are the partners. Okay, Metropolis, My Realistic Mouse. Okay, these are all the partners that have been already they have already partnered with. Okay, so I hope you got my point here. Check out the investor. Wow, and they are also have some big names in the investors white paper. Of course, I'm definitely gonna check out their white paper after I just check out their website. No problem. And this is are all the thing that you're gonna check it out. The Neil Stephenson, L1 co-founder, Peter Vessens, co-founder Lamina L1, and of course Rebecca Birkin, co-founder and the CEO of the Lamina L1. Okay, you can find all the necessary information that you would like to check it out. The founding team here, updates. Wow, that's a futuristic looking website, guys. I can see here. That's a super futuristic website. Great one. Now, let me, I have already checked out their website as you can see here. Now, we proceed with the white paper. Okay, let's check out their white paper. What's their white paper is all about. Let me just quickly jump in their white paper and check it out. What do you say, guys, about this one? I think it is good. Okay, it is overall good now. Let let the white paper be completed loading. We're gonna quickly check it out. Okay, so their white paper already have been loaded and by my section here. I can see here. Let me just check it out. Their white paper, Lamina L1 2023 Mission 1. Deliver a layer 1 blockchain interoperating tools and decentralized service optimized for the open metaverse, providing communities with infrastructure, not gatekeepers, to build a more immersive internet. That's awesome thing. It's just started its introduction part. I believe the metaverse represents the evolution of our lives online, graduation to reach 2D and 3D worlds in which we fluidly create, explore, socialize, and transact. Okay. As we usher in this bold new era of content creation and participation, we must revisit centralized business models of Web 2 to empower creators and consumers with the greater agency, ownership, and privacy. A creative community that is free to innovate and transact will give rise to a thriving economy. Lamina 1 delivers a critical infrastructure to enable, okay, $1 trillion economy, okay, and Lamina 1 delivers the critical infrastructure to enable the $1 trillion economy of the open metaverse. Wow, great amount of information they have already provided here. I really liked it. Okay, really liked it. And of course, don't forget to let me know your opinion about it. I'm gonna definitely check out your opinion. Okay. So now let me jump into the number three section here. Context. Inexplorable economic forces drive investors to pay artists as little as possible while steering their creative output. I can see here in the direction that innovate, in the direction that innovate. Sorry, in the direction that involve the least financial risk. Neil Stephenson said this line. Wow, great one. Got it here. So now let me check it out the other things. The digital disruption followed by the corporate opportunism reset the value of creative IP. Negativity impacted the creative process. Agencies and intermediaries siphoned revenue from makers. Data was harvested, sold, commoditized, and misused. Naivety and convenience were exploited. Family photos became wait for an insatiable ad model. Okay, they have a very long line of white paper I can see here. That's good. I think we will get some good amount of information from here. Let's see, guys. Okay, so yeah, overall it's very looking very good. So now let me check it out there here. As its best, Web3 envisions a better world through the thoughtful redesigning of our online lives, insulting, instituting stronger advocacy for our interest, our freedom, and our rights. Much as Web 2 flourished with the maturity of tools and services that offered creators and consumers ease of use, the open metaverse will benefit from the open protocols for payments and data and a set of interoperating decentralized services to support virtual worlds. Lamina 1 will be the rallying point for an ecosystem of open source tools, open standards, and enabling technologies conceived and co developed with a vibrant community of creators. Wow, that's the awesome thing I have learned from here. I hope, guys, you have also learned something new from here. Okay, so now let's jump into the next session. Next one. New is not enough to drive adoption. Broad use requires both practical and emotional appeal. For the $1 trillion economy of the metaverse to materialize, we must first focus on fundamental infrastructure and enablement and usability. The quality of content and experience depends on better bricks. Lamina 1 will host and power the economic and social transactions of the open metaverse, solving technical hurdles to accelerate adoption and unlock capability. Okay, that's a great one I can see here. And to inspire emotional connection, technology must mature and disappear to let user experience disappear to let experience take the lead, introducing creative application into the earliest stages of development will not help us achieve quality standards but pass that advantage along to others. The strength of Lamina technical foundation will be validated by the ability of our very own maker Neil Stephenson deliver his inspired and principled vision of what the open metaverse can be. We employ story as a powerful tool to contextualize and drive the creative and technical development required to build a virtual universe imbued with humanity. Wow, that's just an awesome thing I just learned from here. Okay, did you guys get it, guys? If you understand it, of course. If you have any question, of course, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Their white paper, Lamina L1 project's white paper is very interesting. I can find here. We are makers, we are builders. Wow, that's a very strong word to say here. Now let me check out the other things. State of play, 11L1 value proposition, acknowledge on two considerable trends. Of course, definitely gonna check it out. Let me just quickly check it out. Their roadmap. Okay, if I can find their roadmap in the white paper, let's see. And in here, I can see the strategy part. To date, no on-chain has been expressly designed to support unique needs of the metaverse. Yes, that's the very right. I can see. And the Lemina approaches the open metaverse with a multi-pronged approach. Layer 1 blockchain, first of all. Number 2 is metaverse as a service, community economic participation and incentives and the original contents. Wait, find here. What do you think about this one? Of course, let's go in. Done. Let's see. So this is a very good project I can see here. Okay, technological pillars 06A layer 1 blockchain. Okay, so this is I think it's layer 1 blockchain. Wow, great one. Most layer 1 chains have predominantly technical goals. For Lamina 1 and its design, we have chosen to balance social and economic goals with the current technical opportunities in the layer 1 chain space. To make the change we want, we need to integrate quality, next generation technology design with strong people of strong principles focused on building and enriching a worldwide community. Wow, that's the awesome thing that I have also learned from the here. They have a very good thing. I mean, very good, strong project. I think they have already based the project they are already based on. Okay, I mean, a one. Let's see what's the other information that have been provided in the white paper. Okay. Lamina 1 uses high speed proof of stake consensus algorithm customized to support the needs of content creators, providing provenance and creatorship and enabling attributive and behav- behavioral figure out if I got it wrong. Behavioral. Okay, behavioral characteristics of an object to be minted, customized, and composed on chain. Okay, gotcha. I got it. Sorry about that one. Yes. And we choose to start with the Avalanche, a robust, generalized blockchain uh, that delivers the industry's most scalable, okay, scalable and environmentally efficient chain for the managing digital assets to date. The starting point provides Lamina 1 with a flexible architecture with an extendable platform support our goals in data storage, interoperability, integration, incentives, carbon negative operations, messaging, privacy, high scale payments, and identity. We intend to work with Avalanche team pre-launch to contribute back patches to be incorporated upstream, but anticipate that many of our features will remain only available for Lamina 1 user. Wow, great thing I have learned from here also. I hope you guys have also learned many things from here. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this one. Of course, let me know. And here's what you can expect at mainnet: open metaverse data, carbon token staking, cross-chain integration, high-scale payments, Open ID Connect, EVM quality of life improvements. That's some nice term I can find here. You can definitely check it out, all of their vision and all their functions they have been introduced in their white paper to get some all the important information that you need to check it out. Of course, you can check it out, guys. Wow, that's a very long and long white paper I can see here. They have already provided many information about their projects. Wow. And it says Lamina 1, we believe two things will power expansion and growth in metaverse. A straightforward and principled approach to serving a diverse, open, and self sustaining community of makers, and a powerful ecosystem of content and experiences that will drive fans and funding directly to the platform. Okay. Original content and creator system built on the Ordi infrastructure. Lamina 1 will foster a vibrant ecosystem of content and motivating economic incentives to empower the rapid expansion of the open metaverse. Okay, thank you guys for joining in the live stream. Oh, hey, welcome back. Hey, buddy, how are you? And of course, there are also many things: original IP, creator IP grants, and investments. Wow, they have very good features in there. They have already introduced in their white paper. Okay, let's see how it goes. Technological grants program provide token incentives to build on or port over to Lamina 1, enhance core capabilities of Lamina 1, or target new audiences, broad remit of our grants oversight committees includes creator tooling, applications, metaverse specific tech services. Okay, gotcha. Got it. Guys who are watching the live stream, eight, okay. Of course, don't forget to drop out your okay. Don't forget to drop out your question. Let's see uh what good question that you have for me about this project. Of course, this question need to be this project related, okay, so that I can answer it out for you guys quickly. What do you say, guys? Of course, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so as you can see here in this chart, okay, here I have already talked you about the technological grants program that have been mentioned here. I hope you got it. So now let me proceed with the events and conference. You can check it out: special engagement, brand and values, all the things. Okay, guys, there are many things here that have been provided by the team of the Lamina 1. You can definitely check it out by the going to the I mean the Gateio announcement page, and then go to the white paper link, and you can get all the necessary details. You also need to know about it, or if you have the patience to read it out, you can also definitely check it out, no problem, guys. Let me quickly check out the technological roadmap. I was looking for this roadmap, okay. I think their journey have been started like from 2022. Okay, it was like V1 light paper release September 2022. Engine Web SDK and Wallet Alphas was like October 2022, and Testnet was I think launched maybe November 2022, and browser MPP Alpha. Many things EBM plus a initial studio demos already have been announced in there. I think in the December of the 2022. That's the thing I can see here. And of course the engine web SDK and wallet betas of course January of 2023. Blockchain recompose have been also introduced in like January 23. Which coin name? Okay, this is the Lamina 1 token. The token name is L1. Okay, you can find it, and this will be listed. Okay, this will be okay, it's officially listed in like let me just check it out the date. Okay, it is in the GT holder exclusive airdrop. Okay, guys, I hope you got it. Lamina 1. they have some impressive roadmap I can find here. The mainnet have been launched Q2 of Q2 3 2023. Their mainnet have been launched, and of course they have already provided all the necessary information that you need to know about the project. Okay, so that is a super impressive white paper. Okay, that's a super impressive white paper. And what is the use cases? Wow, there are many use cases, guys. Thank you for asking a question. Nice question. Okay, there are many use cases. Mainly, okay, mainly the use case for this, sorry, Lamina 1 L1 tokens is that is it is be used for the creator. Okay, and of course it is also used in the metaverse. Okay, there are so many use cases here. I have already introduced you about all the use cases of this token and uh, what's the main purpose they are already building, what everything you need to know I have already discussed in the white paper. Okay, if you missed the previous session of this live stream, of course you can check it out after it got uploaded in the gate profile. Okay, so the mainly Lamina one is a proof of stake chain, orders magnitude more energy efficient than older proof of work chains with a similar carbon footprint. However, we prefer with a have a zero negative carbon footprint. Our near term answer is put accountability directly to the chain. For each kind of operator, we assess energy requirements and ensure they are retiring an appropriate number of carbon credits. We also intend to enable the tokenization of carbon credits on chain. Wow, that's some huge amount of information, guys, we get from here. So I hope you have also get some good amount of information from here, and of course don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now let's jump into the our main I mean the project's task, that is GT holder exclusive airdrop Lamina 1. Okay, sorry, get user, I couldn't understand your question. Does it giving airdrops? Okay, okay. I think it will be listed soon. So I think currently no airdrop is running by the project's team. That's the thing. It will be listed in the Gateio startup. Okay, after like the preheat period will be ended. Okay, so then you can check it out. Thank you for your question, Get user. So yes, guys, I have already talked to you about all the necessary things about the Lamina One project, and you can need to check it out. And of course, if you like, you can of course definitely check out their white paper to get some more extensive idea about their project. Okay, of course. So now let me proceed with the next section. Of course, today's airdrop startup, I mean the GT holder exclusive airdrop. It is a GT holder exclusive airdrop program, and of course, is initial free offering of Lamina One. Okay, that's the main thing, guys. So for now, as you can see here in this area, now let me check it out the participation rules. What's the participation rules? You need to check it out before you're participating in the um, startup airdrop. Okay, and of course this project's duration is like 10 p.m. of 21st November. Of course it will be started from tomorrow, and of course it will be ended by 10 p.m. of 23rd of November. Okay, that's the thing, guys, you need to keep in mind. Okay, so the start GT holder exclusive airdrop will start from tomorrow. Okay, that's the thing, guys. Of course, trading will start at like 2 a.m. on the 24th of November, and of course, it is in 2024 and in UTC time. UTC time, okay. And trading pairs will be like here L1 USDT. This is the trading pair, and of course users can only subscribe by using GT. Of course I'm going to show it to you, no problem. And subscription price is 0 USDT, and subscription total subscription total is like 3333 GT, and startup total supply is like 100,000 L1, and unlock rule will be as usual 100% unlock. And of course there are participation requirement. Of course I'm gonna definitely check it out. Users participating in the GT holder exclusive airdrop will no longer required to have an average GT holding of no less than 10 GT in the past 40 days. Holding 10 GT when participating will be eligible. That's a very super easy term for you guys. So if you want, you can definitely enter this GT holder exclusive airdrop just by holding. Okay, just by holding. That is the thing, guys. That is the main thing, guys. You need to focus, keep focus on. Okay, there is not a requirement of 14 days holding the GT token. The number two is your asset balance will be detected during the token distribution. Please ensure asset balance of not less than 10 GT, otherwise it may result in subscription failure. Okay, the number three is participation requirement is the available shares of each project vary for different projects. Please refer to project announcement or the available shares when participating, and participate in the startup airdrop. You can check it out, they have already provided the link here for the startup. Of course, I am going to show it to you how you can join in this startup, no problem. Just stay tuned with me, guys, no problem. I'm definitely going to show it to you. Okay, the number I mean the next rule, announcement details. After the end of the day's subscription, the system will count all the eligible orders. And of course, there is also note, please note, multiple accounts with same KYC information claiming the startup shares will be deemed as a cheating behavior, and any cheating behavior is prohibited. In case of cheating, Gateio reserves the right to disqualify the users involved and forfeit their rewards. Okay, so I hope you got my point. Oh, got it. So now, how you can participate in the startup? Let me just show it to you. That's super easy. You just need to go log into your Gateio account and navigate to the startup page and show your GT holding is no less than 10 GT, and then participate in the subscription. That's the task you need to do. Of course, let me just show it to you how you can easily participate in the. Uh, First of all, you just need to go to the Gateio website, log into your Gateio account. After log into your account, you just need to go to the startup section here, and then you need to find the GT holder exclusive airdrop that you want to exclusively join it out. Okay, and if you want to okay, let me show you. This is the GT holder exclusive project, Lamina1, and of course this is in the preheat process. Okay, after the preheat process ended, the main startup will be open then. Okay, I hope you got my point. And of course, let me just show you. After you went to the startup page, just go to the GT. You can see this is also a GT holder exclusive airdrop. The name is Memify. If you want to claim it, just go to the hold and GT and claim, and you will be redirected to this page. Because I am holding less than 10 GT, that's why I'll get lucky draw opportunity. Okay, so let me just show it to you how you can join it. After click the I have read and agreed the subscription agreement, click the hold GT and claim free, and then boom, guys, you have successfully subscribed to the GT holder exclusive airdrop project. Okay, in this way you can easily subscribe to the startup airdrop project, and after subscription it will show it to you subscribe successful. And of course, there will be a message showing you that congratulations, you have subscribed the project successfully. So I hope this is a super easy to learn process for you guys who are watching the live stream. Okay, let me just quickly check it out the comment section. If you have any comments for me to check it out, I'm gonna definitely check out all your comments, guys. No problem. Just wait a bit. Okay. So the main thing, okay. So the main thing for the project, I have already told you that Lamina L1. I have already showed it to you how you can easily participate in the GT holder exclusive airdrop. Okay, because Lamina L1 is still in preheat process, so that's why it shows and notify me for airdrops. Okay, that's why that is showing like this one. Okay, when this here it will be shows like $0 free to claim, or it will be says like hold GT to claim free airdrops. Okay, then you can just click the button and claim the airdrop. That's the main thing. And of course, you can there is also a thing, the share that can be subscribed is calculated based on GT holdings, with one share subscribed for every 10 GT. Okay, so if you hold 10 GT, you will get one share. That is the main thing here. So of course, let me show it to you. The GT holder exclusive airdrops rules. Okay, of course, I'm going to definitely show it. Problem. Let me just go in this page. Yes, so that is the thing, guys. I have already showed to you. So here is the startup fake, guys. There is a question that what is startup? Okay, startup is that Gateio startup is the world's largest token launch platform where users can discover potential projects, Participate in the startup subscription and receive token airdrops. Startup allocates tokens to users based on a share system. Okay, and eligible users can claim a certain number of shares. The more shares you can claim, the more tokens you receive. That's the main thing, guys. So basically, there's a token launch platform where you can get free airdrop. So I hope you'll definitely join these projects and of course learn get some uh, free airdrop. Okay. So about this one, yes. So this is also you need to know, guys. This is a GT holder exclusive airdrop. So let me just show it to you. There are like I think four segment, I mean four type of airdrop that are available in the startup. First of is free airdrop, and the second of all, let me wait. Okay, the first of all is like free airdrop, and the second of all is GT holder exclusive airdrop, and the third of all is the pre-order, and the fourth of all is like startup prime. Okay, that's the main thing, guys. That's the main thing, and of course all of it here. We're going to talk about the GT holder exclusive. What is the GT holder exclusive airdrop is all about? Airdrop subscription is an exclusive subscription opportunity provided by the Gateio startup. Okay, GT holder exclusive airdrop subscription is an exclusive subscription opportunity provided by the Gateio startup for token holders, allowing them to participate in the early stage in project investment. Okay, that is the main thing about the airdrops about it. Okay. So the next thing is that what are the requirements for the participate in the city holder exclusive airdrop subscription? So there are also some requirements for you guys. Okay, the participants must complete the KYC to verification and hold no less than 10 GT. And then there is number one. Participant must wait a second. Let me just deploy the red packet for you guys. Wait a second. Just wait a second. Okay. So the main thing is that the number one is hold 10 GT. Okay, you need to hold 10 GT to qualify for a 100% GT holder exclusive free airdrop. And the number two is hold less than. Okay, if you hold less than greater than 10 GT to qualify for a 100% GT holder exclusive. Okay, so the main thing is that the number one position, number one thing is that hold greater than or equal 10 GT to qualify for a 100% GT holder exclusive free airdrop. And the number two is hold hold less than 10 GT with spot assets not less than 10 USD to participate in the lucky draw of GT holder exclusive free airdrop. Okay, with a chance to receive free airdrop token. Okay, can I participate in the multiple GT holder exclusive airdrop subscription at the same time? And the question is yes. Answer is yes, guys. You can participate in no problem. Just wait a second. Just wait a second. Let me just deploy the red packet for you guys. Okay, wait a second. Okay. So the main thing is that is there a lockup period for the subscribed of GT tokens? Generally, GT tokens are generated by contributed GT tokens contributed by the participants have no lockup period. Okay, and how many shares can I claim for GT holders with a for GT holders with greater than or equal 10 GT? The allocation of available shares are different for projects, and specific shares are subject to project announcement. User can claim up to 3,000 shares per project, provided by provided they hold at least 10 GT. Okay. For GT holders with less than 10 GT, they can participate in the GT holding exclusive free airdrop. Out. Okay. So the main thing is that okay, if you have any question regarding this project, of course, don't forget to know in the comment section. I will definitely check it out your comments. Okay. So yes, I have already told you that how many shares you can claim. You can definitely check it out in this section, start a fake section if you like. Okay. So now let me just check it out the other question have that have been here. How many tokens can I received? Okay, the tokens received, there is also a simple formula that have been provided here. The formula is simple. Token received equal to shares subscribed multiplied by the tokens per share multiplied by the distribution ratio. That's the formula. If you can do your math and get the amount of token you will receive after the subscription. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. The number 7 says, will my token allocation decrease if being at the time of token distribution lower than uh, it was at the time of participation? Yes. The answer is yes, guys. The current GT holdings will be detected when the token distribution happens. And if your GT holdings at the time of distribution are no less than your actual GT holdings at the time of participation, the allocation will be calculated based on your actual GT holdings at the time of participation. Otherwise, the allocation will be calculated based on your GT holdings at the time of distribution. So the main thing is that you still need to hold no less than 10 GT to avoid potential claim failures. Okay, that's the main thing, guys. And of course, if you held like 70 GT at the time of participation, but only had 60 GT when token distribution happens, your allocations will be calculated based on 60 GT. Okay, however, if there are like 80 GT when the token distribution happens, your allocation will be calculated based on the 70 GT as you have the amount when it was the first amount when you just participated in it. Okay, thank you, Emily, for your nice and lovely comment. So I think I have already told you about the GT holder rules, okay, all the things that you need to know. And of course, there is also a very important question that is, can I use a startup voucher or startup stars to participate in the GT holder exclusive free airdrops? And the answer is no, guys, because you can't use the startup vouchers and of course the startup stars in the GT holder exclusive airdrops. And startup vouchers or startup stars are only applicable to general airdrop projects and cannot be used for the GT holder exclusive free airdrops. So I hope you got this point, guys. Okay. And all the if you have any question about regarding the GT holder exclusive airdrop, of course, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Okay. And of course, if you have missed the part where I have showed to you how you can participate in the startup airdrop, you will definitely know. I'll show it to you again. Okay, just go to the Gateio website, then go to the login to your Gateio account. Of course, you need to complete the KYC2 verification, that is mandatory. Now, then go to the startup segment. After going to startup segment, because we are talking about the GT holder exclusive airdrop, so let me just show it to you. In progress GT holder exclusive airdrop. Okay, so there is a in progress GT holder exclusive airdrop, that is BBAIFU. So hold GT and you can just claim it. Just click the I have read the agreed and the subscription agreement and click hold GT and claim free airdrops and done, guys. That's so simple. You have already subscribed successfully in this airdrop project. So this is very simple way how you can participate in the startup projects. Okay. So that's the main thing, guys. And of course, Lamina L1 is still in its preheat process. Okay, that's the main thing, guys. That's the main. So when this preheat process will be ended, it will be shown here that you can claim the airdrop by holding the GT tokens. That is the main thing. So I hope you got my point here. So guys, I have already introduced you about the project and I have already showed to you how you can easily participate in the um, startup. Okay, very easily by the website. So I hope you got my point. Of course, let me just show you to another thing. I think that is the startup mining. Okay, in the startup mining section, there is also a very interesting thing that if you hold GT token, you can get rewards on hourly basis. Okay, by holding GT token, you can earn APR that is also very different from each project, because each project have different APY and APR. You need to check that out. And there is also a very interesting feature that is named single coin multi mining. Okay, so in this feature, you can just hold GT token and participate in multiple projects. Okay, just with a single click. As I have already participated in it, so it's showing mining. But if I haven't participated in this kind of project, it will show that click mine. Okay, that's the word will show it to you. Okay, if you haven't participated in this one, so of course you can easily participate in here. And of course the rewards are based on the hourly basis. Okay, so you will get your rewards uh, based on hourly basis. So that is also a very good thing for you guys. And I have already already joined the single coin multi mining feature. That's why it's showing mining here. Okay. So this is the benefit of holding GT and staking the GT just by holding in your Get Spot account, and that's very easily. Okay, you can earn simply good profit from the all the startup mining projects that are available. Okay, and of course the rewards are also based on hourly basis. Okay, you will get your rewards on hourly basis. That's the main thing, guys. So I hope you got my point here. So now I have already told you about the startup minings, about the benefits of holding the GT token, and also introduced about the projects and also the times. Okay, when which time it will start and which time it will be ended. And also, if you have any questions regarding the today's projects, don't forget to let me know about this. Okay. So the main thing is I totally forgot about one thing, that is the startup rule updates. Okay, let me just read it out to you guys. So the startup rule updates, it is says that Gateio startup is one of the largest token launch platform, allowing users to participate at no cost and explore potential projects in the early stages. Okay, and currently startup has completed a major upgrade, enabling users to participate with lower thresholds and receive free airdrops more easily. Details are as follows. You can check it out by clicking the startup link. Let me just check it out. The main updates in the startup participation rules for VIP users. There are like two rules. The number one rules is for the VIP users is that, of course, it is an update for airdrop projects after subscription. Sufficient balance is not required anymore before the token distribution. And there is also a number two update for the VIP users. That is, many users who upgrade to VIP levels by holding assets will have their VIP level verified during token distribution, and final allocation they receive will be determined by their VIP level at the time of distribution. Okay, so rules for the non VIP users. Now let me check out the rules for non VIP users participating in the startup. Okay, the number one rules for it, all non-VIP users with spot assets of no less than $10 can enter the startup page and claim startup airdrops for free. That is the number one rule. Number two says, after non-VIP users participate in a subscription, whether they win or not will be announced after the subscription ends. Users can check the results in subscription history or on the project subscription page. Okay, that's a very good thing. You need to check it out. The number three rule, update is that non-VIP users are not guaranteed to receive startup airdrop tokens. Part of lucky non-VIP users will randomly selected for each project and evenly distribute the airdrop allocation. And the number four is that the total airdrop amount for non VIP users will vary depending on the project. The number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed. Please pay attention to the subscription results. Okay. Number five is that for airdrop projects, sufficient balance is not required anymore before the token distribution. The airdrop tokens will be directly distributed to the spot wallet after the subscription ends. Okay. So there is also a number six update for you guys, non VIP users who use startup vouchers to join the subscription will have their voucher benefits prioritized. Startup vouchers guarantee a 100% corresponding share, but users still need to hold at least hold spot assets of no less than $10. And of course, there are some important notes for you guys. Let me just check it out. Notes is number one is that the previous rule for non-VIP users who are guaranteed to receive shares of startup airdrop has been abolished in upgrade. After the upgrade, non-VIP users with spot assets of no less than $10 can directly participate and receive airdrops if they win. Number two is all existing subscription share rules for VIP users remain unchanged and they are eligible to receive uh, airdrop with 100% guarantee. The higher the VIP level, the more startup airdrop shares they can subscribe. The number three is non-VIP users participating in the startup subscription will follow partial winning mechanism with a random selection of users winning airdrops for each project. Winners can be repeated across different projects. That is also a thing, guys. The number four is that new rules will take effect from 2 uh, August 25th, and of course, it will be in the UTC time. And number fifth is where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the English version shall prevail. Number six is that the main thing, Gateio reserves all the rights to the final explanation. So I hope you got my point about this one. So I hope you get a quick, good update about the startup rules. Okay. So yes, I have already introduced you about the guys today's projects. Lamina L1 GT hold. Of course, this is a GT holder exclusive airdrop. That's why I have already showed it to you about all the necessary things you need to know about the GT holder exclusive airdrop. So I hope you got my point there. So now let me show it to you how you can invite and earn more. Okay, and this that is name is Startup Carnival. What is the Startup Carnival? Invite friends to register, invite friends to register or participate in the startup for the first time to win more airdrops. Okay, how you can do that? That is very easy. There is also simple steps they have been provided here. First of all, invite friends. Share the exclusive referral link with the friends to invite them to register or join the startup subscription successfully for the first time. Then they will be your valid invitee. And while you can get your exclusive link, just go to here and you can click invite now. And this is your exclusive invite link. Click copy and share it to your friends, and done, guys. It is how it is done. So after doing that, there are also, after your valid invitee joins the startup, you will get stars. Okay, stars are earned according stars are earned according to the daily trading volume of valid invitees within the 30 days. The more trading volume of your invitee, the more stars you can earn. That's the thing, guys. And number three is swap stars for shares. Every 10 stars can swap one startup share. Okay, and more stars can swap more shares. Okay, that's the thing, guys. So if you invite more friends and your friend do more trade, then you will get more stars, so that you will get more startup shares. That is the main thing, guys. And of course there are also many others in progress airdrop, startup airdrop that is ongoing. Let me show it to you by joining one here. Here is also GT holder exclusive airdrop. If you want, you can participate in here. Micro, that is also running in progress. A startup, I mean, GT holder exclusive airdrop. It is also a GT holder exclusive airdrop as well as the Lamina L1. Okay, let me just get back to you guys. Where it is, the Lamina L1. Okay, wait a second. So this is the Lamina L1 page. So if you want to participate in here, let me just show it to you for the last time of this today's live stream session. So need to click hold GT to claim free airdrops. Then click I have read and agreed and hold GT and claim free airdrop. Done, guys. You have successfully subscribed, and that is how it is done. So guys, that is all for today. So I think I have already introduced you about all the things that is necessary for you to know before participating in the GT holder exclusive airdrop. And of course, if you have any questions, I'm gonna just wait like 1 or 2 minutes for you to get any question from you guys. If you have any questions regarding the airdrop, then I'll try my best to answer it out for you guys. Okay. So let's see if I can get any questions from you guys or not. Okay. So the Lamina L1 projects is still in its preheat process. So after this preheat period ended, you will see there is a button showed will be showed to you. Hold GT and claim zero free airdrop. Okay. That's the thing, guys. Okay. So I hope you have already understood about all the things necessary for you to know. So I hope, and of course, if you have any know about this project, of course, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. And I think I have already covered up all the necessary things that you know about the city holder exclusive yard of Lamina L1. So thank you guys for staying tuned with me. Okay, thank you. So I hope I hope it is all right for you guys. So let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna see you in my next live stream, guys. And of course, I hope you will participate in this awesome GT holder exclusive airdrop Lamina 1. So I'm gonna see you in my next and another interesting and exciting live stream. So guys, see you soon in my next live stream. For now, bye bye.